Hello subscribers, welcome to my channel Survey Got Easier. On my channel you will get to know on how to use surveying softwares, how to use surveying instruments, how to do surveying computation, how to use surveying mobile apps. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe before leaving this channel, and if you have subscribed, follow all our videos updates. On my video description, you will always get a link where you can join our WhatsApp group, our Facebook group, and Telegram group for further discussion on any things that seems that you don't really get, that you need further explanation on it. You always get it on our social media page. Thank you. Now today I'll be showing you on how to digitize a map and how you can confirm the location of that map, the actual location of that map on Google Earth. Firstly, after you are provided the map that you want to digitize, you must actually know the exact location of that map on your Google Earth, and then you must define the projection of the map before you can achieve that purpose. Watch me while I put you through on how to do that. Now what I'll do is to bring in the map. In order for me to bring out the map, I'll click on this icon here, add data, and then I'll select the location where I have the map. Now this is the map on the screen, so you just come to under your layer, you right click and then you click on zoom to layer. Then after you zoom to layer, the first thing you have to do is to come to your view, and then you define the data frame properties where you set you come to general, you set the map. If you want it to be on meters, feet, wherever you want it to be, you set it. Your map unit, wherever you want on it, you set it. You click on apply. Then after that you come to coordinate system. So under coordinate this system is where you set the projection of the map. Now to set your coordinates, to set the map projection, you just double click on this projected coordinate system. Then you click on this UTM, and then you click on WGS. Since the map is a Google Earth map, I'll click on WGS 1984, and then I'll click on, you have to know the projection of the map you are using. So this is a north hemisphere. And then another thing is that you have to know the zone of the location where you are working with. Like the location I'm working with, the zone is on zone 30. So you have to know the zone of the location you are working with. So I have a video that tells you on how you can determine the zone of any place in the world, either using your mobile phone or using your system. So just do it to watch that video. Now the zone of this is on zone 31, on zone 30. Then I'll click OK. Then after that, after you are done with that, the next thing is to georeference the map that was imported, to georeference it on your AutoCAD environment. Now this map, I've been able to come out with the lat and long details on the screen here. So what I'll just do is to zoom it out, and then I'll just digitize, I'll just georeference the long and lat. So for me to be able to georeference that, I'll click on this Alt Control point, then I'll click on this point here, then I'll right click and then click on input DMS of long and lat. Now you bring in the values for the longitude and latitude. So this for the longitude, this is the lat and this is the longitude. Now for the longitude we have 0 degree, 34 minutes, 0.22 on west, while for the latitude I have it as 53 degree, 52 minutes, 34.04, and this is on north. 0.34, 0.22, yes, 53, 52, 34.04 west north. Then you click OK. Now you come back to your layer and then you right click on your job and click zoom to layer. Then you come to the next point to input the next control point. You do same thing. This is for the lat long is 0 degree, 14 minutes, 35.23, and it is on west. Why this is on 53, 52, 1.35, and is on north. 0.14, 35.23. Why this 53, 52, 1.35? Then you click OK. Now you zoom in, and then you go to the next point. You can just click on this arrow icon here to move to the next point for you to be able to digitize your work. So this is our next point, point 3. Now you come to this place and click on add control, so you input the lat and long as well. The long is 0, 33, 39.67 on west, why this is on 53, 44, 39.56 on north. 0.33, 39.67 is 53, 44, 39.56 north. Then you click OK. So the last point we have now is now this is the last point, point 4. So you also click on it and input the longitude and latitude. Now after you are done with the fourth one, you come to this place and right click, then you click on zoom to layer. So these are the 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 that we just georeferenced. So you just click on, you come to this georeference and you click on the drop arrow and click on rectify. Then after you click on it, this is the what is going to display. Then under this place here, you can change the location where you want it to be saved. Then you click on save. I'll save it inside a folder on Survey Got Easier under the desktop. Now it has been saved. So what you do now is to locate where you save your TIF file. So like I said, it was saved on a folder under the desktop. So you come to desktop, then then under Survey Got Easier, this is it here, TIF. This is it, TIF. So you just bring it in, you drag it inside your layer. So you can just delete this. You click on remove. Now you click on this and click on zoom to layer. So this is what we are working with now. And then the next thing for you to do is this is the raster file now. Now the next thing for you to do is to create a shapefile for it. So in order for you to be able to create a shapefile, in order for you to create a shapefile, you come to under your catalog. Since the location where you save your job was on desktop or document, any location where you save your job, like mine was saved under my desktop. So I'll just right click here and click on new, then I'll click on shapefile. So what I'll be digitizing is I'll digitize the road. I'll digitize road, houses. Those are the three things I'll digitize. So for road we can use a polyline, and then I'll give this as I'll name it as road. Then I'll divide the coordinate system, the same coordinate system that I set, that also includes, sorry, let me start all over. So when you click on the coordinate system of what you set earlier on is the same thing that you set. Then I'll click OK. Now this is the shapefile for the road. I also do the one for the buildings. Houses, house. Then for the house, I can just use a point to identify that. Then I'll click OK. Now you can come to this place if you are not satisfied with the color and change the color you want. If you are not satisfied with the color, you can change the color. Let me change this road to black. And this house, let me change the color to, let me change it to yellow. So now the first thing, so now you come to your editor, you click on it and then click on start edit. Then you click on it again, you click on editing windows, so you click on create features. So these are the features that we want to digitize, house and road. So let me quickly digitize the house first. So I'll click on house and then I'll click on point, so I can just close this. So the houses on the houses, digitize the house. After you are done digitizing the house, what you do is you click on, at times you right click and click on finish part, then you right click again, click on finish sketch, and then after you are done with that, but since it's not showing here, you come to this editor, you click on save edit. You have to save first, then you click on stop edit. So by the time you click on this, these are what you just digitize on the screen. Now the next thing for us to digitize is the road. So let's quickly digitize the road. So you click on editor, and then you click on start editing, then you click on editing window, so that you can just bring in the creature files that I closed the other time. Then I'll click on road, and then I'll click on line, so I can just put this one here if I don't want to close it. Now this is the road. So when you are done, you just click on finish part, then you right click again and click on finish sketch, then you come to editor, you click on save edit, and then you come back and click on stop edit. So let me just digitize the other parts. You come to editor again, click on start editor, start editing. So you click on road, and then you start editing again. You start digitizing. Then you right click and click on finish parts, finish sketch, save edit, stop edit, start edit, road. When you are done digitizing, so you just click on this check-in box to view what you've digitized. So these are the rows that we digitize. You can just come to this place here. You can just click here and click on. You can just come to this place and click on. You can just click here to zoom your layer. So this is the row we digitize. Now to confirm this on your Google Earth, now firstly you have to save what you've digitized so far. So let's quickly save it. You click on file and then click on save as. Then after you're done saving, now in order for you to confirm what you've digitized on your Google Earth, you want to confirm if it follows on the location. And what you simply do is you locate your arc toolbox. Now this is arc toolbox. This is my arc toolbox. So you come to under arc toolbox. You come to conversion tools. You click on it. Then you have this drop down. You can see we have different conversion to panel. We have the one from KML, from GPS and others. But the one we'll be using is to KML. This is the conversion toolbox we'll be using. You double click on to KML. So you double click on to map or to layer. So under to map, you bring in the work you've done. So you select the location where you have it on your system. So it has successfully added. Then this is the output file. This is where you receive the output of what of the KML. You can see the location. So you can just change the location if you don't want it to be there. So let me just leave it on this location here. Then I'll click OK. Now you can see under here is already converting it to KML, so it's ready. Now let's check it. Let me go to the location where I have it on my system and check that. Now you must make sure that you have mobile data when you want to confirm that the KML file on your Google Earth, because without mobile data you can't use your Google Earth. So when you have the mobile data, you just double click on the KML file that was obtained on your ArcGIS. You double click on it, then Google Earth will take it up from there. So it's going to take you to the location of the place where you have the map. You can just see now the what we just digitized. You can see it that is on the actual location. This is the road that was digitized. You can see it. You can see the roads that were digitized. You see continuation of the road there. This is where we stop what we digitize. That is how to confirm a digitized image on your Google Earth. If you need any assistance on how to digitize, if you want us to help you to digitize any job or georeference, or you have any work for us, you can always reach us through our mail. Thank you.